Hello, this is Sherry Shine from Sherika Originals. I'm coming to you today to make a quick video tutorial. We're going to make a ring that's similar to the one that I'm wearing right here. This is a ring made from aluminum wire, and you only need a few materials. You need your aluminum wire, and you can get a smaller a smaller size of this wire from Michael's or Hobby Lobby or maybe Walmart. And you can find it in the craft area, or you can find it in the garden area. Okay, it's great to have a ring mandrel. This is a ring sizer that has the different sizes, or whatever size you want your ring. I think the average ring size is a 7 or an 8. But it goes all the way to 16. And then you just need something to cut your wire with. And these are the 3-in-1 pliers that I have used. Now, if you don't have a ring mandrel, you can use anything that is any round object that is the size of the ring that you want to wear. So I could really use this pen. So I think the first one I'll use the mandrel, and then the second one I'll demonstrate using the pen. Okay, for expediency, I have already cut my wire, so I'm gonna move my wire and take one of my pieces of lengths of wire. This is about 12 inches of wire. I may not use this much, but I like to have more than I need rather than not have enough. So to begin, we place the wire at about the size that we want. So I'm gonna place it right here at 8, and then I'm just going to twist the wire from side to side. Oops, my wire's too long. Okay, and I think I'm gonna go around one more time here, and then we start to create. Now what we're going to do is do a series of loops. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to bend this into a loop here to that side. I'm going to bend it back around to this side. And because this is kind of short now at this point, I'm going to curl it. I'm gonna curl it around. So I'll take my pliers and I will curl this around. See if I can get this at a good angle so you can see it. Okay, we're gonna curl it, curl it, curl it, curl it, curl, curl around, curl around. Let's see, how do I like that? Let's see here. I think I want to curl it down a little bit more maybe. So, just continue to curl it. Okay, so now I get to work on the next side. So I think I'll do a loop, loop. This wire is so easy to bend and work with. That's why I just love it. I love it. And I'm gonna loop again. I'm gonna push this loop here. Come back around, loop around. Okay, and we're maybe I'll do one more loop. So this is really going to be a kind of a long ring, but it's a little fancy. You know, we like fancy. So here we go. Now I'm probably gonna cut a little bit off at this point, but you could continue looping. So I'm going to cut some off now. I'll use my regular wire cutters. Okay. All right, so going to loop again. It's kind of awkward working in this camera, and I'm trying to teach myself to stay in the camera. I know if you've seen some of my other videos, I apparently have a problem staying on camera, and my editing skills aren't that good yet. I'm learning a lot. Every time I do one of these, I learn a little bit more, so bear with me. We'll get better and better as we go. Okay, so that's another little loop. Okay, so we have a ring, and this, let's see, this size is about a size 8. So let's see, I'm gonna kind of bend these around. Okay, let's see what we have here. See what finger is this gonna go on? Maybe that one. Awesome. See how easy and quick that was? So we're gonna make a couple more just to show you. You can just have so much fun with this. And isn't it cute? And this aluminum is so great because it won't tarnish. If this was silver wire, you would have to be continuously polishing it because it's gonna tarnish. All right, let's see. Maybe I'll just do one more. I'll do one on this marker. Okay, same thing. We put the wire behind, and then we bring it, we cross it over, and then I'm going to bring it behind again and cross it over. Then we start to curl. We make a little, well, we start to do the loops. So I'm gonna do a loop and another loop, oops, and another loop, and then another loop. Then we're gonna curl. I'm gonna bend it around. Okay, and then now we're gonna curl. Curl, curl, curl. This would be something fun to do. Get together with your girlfriends and just make some rings. There. Okay. Here we are. We did this one. I'm gonna have a handful of rings in a minute. Well, I guess that's it. Took longer than I thought. Okay, this is Sherry Shine, SherikaOriginals.com. We ask that you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so that you can be notified when we put up new videos, tutorials. We're going to do lots of tutorials. Just teach you how easy it is to be creative and make some jewelry that you like. Just have fun with it. All right. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like bell. You can catch us at Sherika Originals on Facebook and Instagram. All right, take care. Be blessed.